Hey, what's up? It's Chef Ranjan. As a kid, there's always those favorite meals that you grew up on, and sometimes it uses store-bought stuff. Well, this time I decided I would take the green taco sauce that you get from the store and make my own rendition of it at home. I love the taco salad my mom used to make me, and in fact, it's pretty much the only salad I think I'll eat. I personally use it on this taco salad, but you can also use it on burritos, eggs, and pizza. It's super simple with only a few ingredients and about 15 minutes to cook. We'll start with 1 pound of peeled tomatillos cut into small chunks. Then we'll deseed and dice 1 jalapeno. Deseed and dice 1 green bell pepper. Peel and dice 1 onion. And smash 3 garlic cloves. Then we're gonna start by taking our skillet with a little bit of oil at a high heat and throw our tomatillos in there. And we're gonna let it get a sear on that so we can get a nice good color on there. And then we're gonna throw our other things in, such as the bell peppers, jalapenos, and onions, with the garlic going last. Once we've got good color on the tomatillos, we're gonna throw in the onions, bell pepper, and jalapenos. And once all of those are completely soft, we're gonna throw in the garlic at the end. Once you have all those soft and cooked, and the garlic has become aromatic, we're gonna take those and throw it in a heat-safe container and store it in the fridge until it comes down to a cool. Next, we're gonna throw in 2 tablespoons of salt and 2 tablespoons of cumin. And once everything's aromatic, cut off the heat. Then we're gonna take and put it in a heat-safe container and store it in the fridge. Once it's cool in the fridge, we're gonna take it out and then blend it till it's a thick, slightly chunky puree, just like the salsa at the store-bought. Once it's cool, we're gonna take it out and process it in a blender or a smoothie blender. Nope. Once it's cold, we're gonna take and blend it into a slightly chunky puree, just like a salsa from the store. And once you have your homemade taco sauce, you can enjoy it on burritos, eggs, pizza, or whatever you think it might taste good on. Store it in the fridge in an airtight container and it'll last for a week. Okay, that was just a quick vid I wanted to show you guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you stopping by. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Take it easy, and I'll see you later.